Once upon a time, in a world filled with wonder, lived a curious little boy named Tim. Tim loved the ocean and dreamt of exploring its depths. One night, as he gazed at the stars, he saw a strange, glowing fish swim by. The next day, Tim returned to the beach with his bucket and net. He spent hours searching for the glowing fish, but to no avail. Just as he was about to give up, he saw it again, this time closer than ever. It was Black Manta, a unique and beautiful creature of the deep sea. Tim was awestruck. He knew he had to learn more about this mysterious fish. With determination in his heart, he decided to build a submarine. Tim worked tirelessly, gathering materials and asking for help from his friends. After weeks of hard work, his submarine was ready. He named it the Sea Explorer. The day finally arrived when Tim was ready to dive. He put on his diving suit, hopped into the Sea Explorer, and set off on his adventure. Deep beneath the waves, Tim encountered schools of colorful fish, giant sea turtles, and even a friendly whale. But it was Black Manta that he was searching for. Suddenly, there it was. Black Manta, swimming gracefully among the coral reef. Tim was thrilled. He approached slowly, not wanting to scare the beautiful creature. As he swam closer, he noticed something peculiar about Black Manta. It seemed to be injured. Tim felt a pang of sadness. He knew he had to help. Using his knowledge from school about marine life, Tim carefully bandaged Black Manta's wound. The creature seemed to understand and allowed Tim to help. With a grateful nod, Black Manta swam away, leaving Tim with a sense of accomplishment. He had not only discovered a new friend but also helped it in its time of need. From that day forward, Tim and Black Manta shared many adventures in the deep sea. They became the best of friends, teaching each other about their worlds and the wonders they held. As Tim climbed out of the Sea Explorer that day, he realized something. He had not only found a friend in Black Manta but also learned the importance of kindness and care towards all creatures, big and small. And so, every night under the starlit sky, Tim would tell stories of his adventures with Black Manta. His tales filled his friends and family with wonder, inspiring them to explore the world around them and to always help those in need. The end.